want to know how we get our skin in the best shape for bearing our legs and some of the things like our arms, which some ladies really want to cover up. How do we get ourselves summer ready?
Well, the good news is that you can get your skin summer ready pretty quickly, and there are some ingredients and products available at your local drugstore that are so accessible. So one of my favorite products is called Amlactin, and it's a tried and true product, again, at your local drugstore, and it has an ingredient called lactic acid. This is a gentle but powerful alpha hydroxy acid that both helps exfoliate, which is loosening off that outer layer of dead skin cells that can sit there and make your skin look rough, especially on your body. But it also helps moisturize your skin by holding and pulling water into your skin, which makes it look smoother, softer, and even younger. So you talked about the arms as well, and there's a problem that some people have, a condition called keratosis pilaris. That's a genetic condition where you can have red, bumpy marks on the arms, especially on the outer part of the arms, and it's a genetic condition, so we can't cure it. But a product like Amlactin with the lactic acid can help control that condition and make it look softer and smoother. The other thing that we want to get into shape for the summer is our feet. And there's also a great heel cream and foot cream that can help soften and smooth that skin so we can be ready for our summer sandals.
So what about exercise? How important is it, and what kind of role does it play in your skincare?
Exercise is so important for every organ system, but even for your skin as well, because that improves circulation and that helps the skin do its job of healing and recovering from all the stresses from pollution and the elements really well. So exercise is so important on a regular basis. This doesn't mean you have to have a strenuous workout 6 days a week. Even just walking and just building up your activity level is really good for your skin. And using sun protection is so important as well. And hopefully, if you smoke, quitting smoking is one of the most important things you do directly for your skin.
Oh, wonderful. So before we go, is there anything else we should or could be doing, and where can people go for more information?
So I think affecting diet is really important for the skin as well. And people think that, oh, how does what you eat get to your skin? But it really does. So having a high antioxidant diet, foods like walnuts and almonds and fruits and vegetables of all different colors that are in season will make such a dramatic difference in your skin and even help protect you from the elements so well, and minimizing processed sugars in foods. So hydrating, exfoliating, diet, and exercise, you don't have to be perfect every day, but when you put it all together, it shows pretty quickly in your skin. And a great resource is two websites called, one is amlactin.com and the other is myclearskin.com.